Good morning, everyone. So this was going to be on page number 1 of your Monday packet. So I'm guessing you already know what today is. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Do you guys know what month it is? March. That's right. M-A-R-C-H. March what? What is today's date? The 16th. March 16th, comma, what year? 2020. Okay. If Friday was 130 days of school, how many days of school are there today? 131. Now, if you guys need to take some time to write this down, pause the video and then come back when you're done. Just press play. Let's check the temperature. Right now, it says that it is 51 degrees outside. So we're going to count up by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 55 is too big and 50 is too small, but just barely too small. So I'm going to put a line right over the 50, like you will, on your thermometer, on your paper, and then color down. Okay, so you guys know that today is March 16th. What was yesterday? March 15th, which means that tomorrow is March 17th. That is right. Good job. Now we're just going to review some of our stations that you guys don't really get to do since you're not here. So we're going to review together. What coin is this? A penny. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. That's right. What coin is this? It's a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. How about this one? That's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. How about this one? That's a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Okay, now if you saw this piggy bank, how much money's in there? There's 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is 4 quarters? $1. How about if you saw this piggy bank? What coins are in there? You have a dime, which we just said is worth 10 cents, and a nickel, which we know is 5. 10 plus 5. That's too many for our fingers, so we can get the number 10 in our heads and add 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in this piggy bank, there is 15 cents. Let's do one more. Oh, let's try this one. How many dimes do you have? 1, 2, 3. How many nickels? 1. And how many pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count our dimes first. There are 3 dimes. So what can we count by to count those dimes? Tens, since a dime is worth 10 cents. 10, 20, 30. Plus 1 nickel. 30 plus 5. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Plus 4. So we're at 35. We need to add 4. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. This piggy bank has 39 cents. Very good. Let's do some time. Can you tell me what time this clock says? What hand is pointing to the 2? The little hand or the big hand? If you said the little hand, you're right. And the little hand tells us how many hours it is. So the big hand tells us how many minutes. Hours, 2. So is it 2:06 or is it 2:30? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 2:30. Let's try another one. Take a look at where the little hand is pointing on this clock. It's pointing to the 9. So it must be 9:12, since the big hand's pointing to the 12. But that's not right, is it? Because the little hand's pointing to the 9, so it's 9. And the 12 means double zeros. So 9 o'clock. 9:00. 9 o'clock. Let's do this one. Very similar to 9 o'clock. If you said it's 4 o'clock, you're correct. The little hand's pointing to the 4, and the big hand is pointing to the 12. 4 o'clock. Very good. Okay, last thing. We're going to work on our place value. I'm going to put the cubes down, then I'm going to video it, and you're going to try and tell me what number the cubes represent. What number do these cubes represent? $231, because there's 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place. Let's try another one. What number do these represent? 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 54. 154. Good job. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to go to the next video, take a little shake break, and then come back for math.